Hello, my name is Vinay Jaraswar, and today's date is 16th of August 2023. And today's topic is types of inheritance in the Java. So basically, the inheritance is very important topic in the Java, where needs to implement in the real-time projects. Uh, then they need to know about the all of the concept of the OOPs. So inheritance it is an important topics in the OOPs. So basically, as you see the words inheritance, it is starting from inherit, it is acquiring all the properties from the parent class to the child class. That is basically your inheritance. Let me give some example. If you acquire properties from your parents, and parents give all the property to the child, means you can say it is used for the reusability of the code, and it is basically the is a relationship between the parent class and the child class. So that is basically the example of the inheritance. So there are four types of inheritance. First one is single inheritance. Second one is multi-level inheritance. Third one is hierarchical inheritance. Fourth one is hybrid inheritance. And after that, fifth one is multiple inheritance, which is not supported by the Java. First one is, let us talk about the single inheritance. The single inheritance is basically the parent class which is one you can access one parent class. You can access the properties from the single parent class to the child class. So that is basically inheritance. Let me give some example. Uh, like uh, suppose employee it is in a parent class, and executive it is in a child class. So the executive class inheritance all the properties from the employee class. And after that, talking about the multi-level inheritance. So basically, the multi-level inheritance is like a class uh, uh, derived from the class which is also derived from the another class, like super class, derived from the super class is also derived from the another class. So that is basically multi-level inheritance. And after that, talking about hierarchical inheritance. So in the hierarchical inheritance, it is basically there are you can say the one super class, and after that, uh, by the one super class acquiring properties from the several classes, they are acquiring properties. So that is basically your hierarchical. If I give some example, then like student it is in a super class, and after that there are some branches whichever they want to go, like art, science, and commerce. So uh, that is basically their subclasses. So that is known as the hierarchical. And after that, hybrid uh, inheritance. So as you see the words of hybrid, so it is basically the concept between uh, if I take some example, grandfather. So grandfather, like basically it is in a super class, and after that parent. So the parent acquiring properties from the grandfather. So they basically grandfather it is in a super class, and after that parent it is in a like a subclass which is acquiring properties from the grandparents. And after that son, so son it is also accepting properties from the parent class. So mean parent class it is basically your super class. So that is depending on all of the basically super class on subclass. So that is called the hybrid. So after that, like if I'm talking about the hybrid, so grandfather becomes the parent, but the parents does not become the like a child. So that is the example of the hybrid. And after that, talking about the multi-level multiple inheritance. So in the Java multiple inheritance. does not support, because it won't work on the Java runtime environment. So that is why it is not accepted in the Java. So basically, there are some advantage of the inheritance. You can access the class by using of the extend keyword, and after extending the another class, then you can reuse the code, and you can reuse on another class as well. So that is basically the concept of the inheritance, and also the types of inheritance. Thank you.